Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back again to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. The support, as always, is much appreciated. And of course, the gentle reminder to knock up the like button, to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already, and also to share the video as well. These are all free and easy ways to support the channel. All right, we're getting straight into it, guys. This match done and dusted. The Reggae Boyz getting out of this very tough encounter by the skin of them teeth. But the Reggae Boyz survive and the Reggae Boyz move on to the next round, a big round, a quarter-final matchup awaits the Reggae Boyz with this particular team, the Dominican Republic, ladies and gentlemen, is the team that the young U20 Reggae Boyz will face in the quarterfinal round, that big quarterfinal round. You know, whoever wins that particular round is off to the U20 World Cup. Ladies and gentlemen, the U20 Reggae Boyz, as much as we have stumbled and stuttered our way and fumbled our way to the quarterfinal round, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the young Reggae Boyz are one game away from qualifying to the FIFA U20 World Cup. Crazy, man, crazy. We'll win the next match, history will be created. Guys, if you look on your screen, you will see the schedule, and if you look at your screen, you will see the quarterfinal placing. So it's W26. So it's the winner of 26 of M26 match day 26, or match 26 rather. So it's the winner of M26 versus the winner of M31. M31 was the Reggae Boyz last 16 tie with the Haitians. M26 was the Dominican Republic's tie versus El Salvador. Now, ladies and gentlemen, and see here, so W26 versus W21. So the winner of match 26 versus the winner of match 21. We won match 31. So we beat Haiti in our last 16 tie. The Dom Rep squeezed past El Salvador in their last 16 tie, and that is where we are. That is how we are where we are right now. It was a ding-dong battle between the Dominican Republic and El Salvador. Dom Rep emerged 5-4 winners. It was a thrilling encounter, ladies and gentlemen. I watched the game, and boy, oh boy, take your eye off it for 1 second and I go stitch. There were times when it looked like El Salvador was going to win it. There were times when it looked like Dom Rep was going to win it. In the end, Dom Rep came from behind in the end to score both the equalizing goal and then the winning goal, and, you know, seal their place in the quarterfinal. So me personally, I am very happy that we got Dom Rep and not El Salvador. Me personally, I think El Salvador is the better team. So I am very happy, ladies and gentlemen, that we have gotten the lesser of the two evils, so to speak. You know, not saying that Dom Rep is not a good team, but I think El Salvador, you know, is a slightly better team, and a team historically and a footballing country with a greater culture and greater footballing pedigree. Seeing also El Salvador finished second in the Central American Concacaf U19 tournament that took place a couple of months ago, where most of the U20 players that are featuring for Central American teams in this current U20 World Cup qualifiers would have featured in that Concacaf tournament. El Salvador finished second in that tournament to Costa Rica. So that goes to show you that El Salvador was a pretty decent team. But in the end, ding dong battle, Damrep came out on top. Me personally, I was rooting for my fellow Caribbean brothers, Hispanic brothers, because they're the easier team. Since I'm very happy for the result. We're gonna we have to talk about that Haitian result here, ladies and gentlemen. We have to talk about this Haiti game, because boy, it was a dreadful performance. We won the match, but honestly, Haiti's indiscipline is what beat Haiti in that particular game. 2 reckless tackles, and they would have gotten 2 red cards. If it wasn't for those 2 red cards, honestly, I don't see the Reggae Boyz getting past that difficult game. If it wasn't for those 2 guys, even when they were down, even when the Haitians was down to 10 men and we had 11 men, it was 11v10. Ladies and gentlemen, Haiti still dominated the game, still dominated the run of play, still dominated the amount of chances, worked Kanye Boys Clark, the Reggae Boyz goalkeeper, who made a number of big saves. Ladies and gentlemen, the performance was unacceptable. It was unacceptable from the young Reggae Boyz, and going forward, it has to improve. The coach has to improve. The players have to improve. The young Reggae Boyz were exceptionally flat in that particular game, lacking intensity. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to draw up our socks. We got lucky in this particular game. We have to draw up our socks. It's as simple as that, right? I mean, this whole tournament, really and truly, we have been stumbling and stuttering and fumbling all over the place. I'm still wondering how we got this far. How we got thus far. Honestly, man, we need to step our game up. The intensity levels need to raise. The players, it's like sometimes when they're out on the pitch, it's like they don't understand what's at stake, or they don't seem energized, or they don't seem like they want it. The Haitians wanted it last night. The Haitians wanted it far more than we wanted it. So everybody has to improve. Players have to step up. Coaching have to step up. Better substitutions, earlier substitutions that are needed at that particular moment in the game. Everything just needs to improve, man. Tactics, combinations on the pitch at the same time. Proper attacking structure, the whole lot, man. The whole lot. Hopefully the young Reggae Boyz can improve for that quarterfinal game. Hopefully we can get the better of the Dominican Republic and we can get to the U20 World Cup. It would be a massive accomplishment to see any Jamaican team in a footballing World Cup is always a joyous occasion. But this particular Asian team gave us a ton load of problems. Hopefully the young Reggae Boyz can raise their performances against the upcoming opponents, the Dominican Republic. Damrep, as I said, ding dong, end-to-end action between them and El Salvador. Damrep squeezed past El Salvador to book their spot in the quarterfinal. Big quarterfinal matchup between the Jamaica Reggae Boyz and the Dominican Republic coming up in a matter of days. The Dominican Republic, a Caribbean team that is rising in football. They are rising. and they are getting there. On both the men's and the women's side, Dominican Republic are making significant strides. So we have to watch out for them for this upcoming game, and we have to look out for them in the future as well. So guys, that's my 2 cents. Knock up the like button for the young Reggae Boyz. Tumultuous tumultuous journey so far, but they have gotten thus far, and we have to smash up the like button for the Reggae Boyz, and we have to big them up. I will say this much though quickly before we get out of here. The poor preparation leading up to this tournament for the young Reggae Boyz is no excuse, because Haiti had zero preparation. We can say our preparation was poor. Haiti had no preparation, none whatsoever, and yet still Haiti went out there and played the game. For most of the game, they were down a man. Eventually went down 2 men, and when they were down a man for most of the game, they still balled us off the park. The Reggae Boyz can consider themselves fortunate. Big goalkeeping from Kanaya Boys Club. So we can't use poor preparation as an excuse this time around. We saw what Haiti did. We have to go out there, pull out our socks, and get the job done. So guys, that's my 2 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Knock up the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also share the video. These are free and easy ways to support the channel. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.